Hydrophilic refers to having a great liking for water, meaning it easily dissolves in liquid and is water soluble. Polar molecules cause corrosion to metal surfaces and alloys. They are typically charged polarized and are capable of hydrogen bonding. This dissolves more readily in water than in oil or other hydrophilic solutions. Also draws moisture out of the air. Hydrophobic. Ions that are hydrophobic are not so affectionate of water, meaning the fear of water. It is not that the substance is repelled by the water so much as it lacks its charm. When exposed to water, their nonpolar nature disrupts hydrogen bonds between water molecules, making a structure on their surface that is more settled than loose water molecules. In biology, many matters are hydrophilic, which let them be dispersed throughout the cell. For example, all cells use water as a solvent that creates the substance known as cytosol. The cytosol hand holds many substances, most of which are hydrophilic on that on at least part of the particle. This guarantees that it can be carried easily throughout the cell. The items that can blend with water are called hydrophilic elements. Those cannot process with water are identified as hydrophobic substances. This happens mainly due to the duality of rain molecules. For example, nonpolar compounds cannot dissolve in a polar solvent. Molecules tend to be called hydrophobic units or hydrophilic molecules according to the response specific molecules display to water molecules. For example, hydrophobic molecules repel water molecules, but on the other hand, hydrophilic molecules draw water molecules. Yet, the vital difference between hydrophobic and hydrophilic molecules is that hydrophobic molecules are nonpolar, whereas hydrophilic molecules are polar.